In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate the conversation of the saved memory in ChatGPT. If you've ever saved a memory and later wanted to revisit the exact chat where it was created, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can get back to that conversation in just a few moments. Start on the ChatGPT home screen and look toward the bottom left corner of the interface. You should see your profile icon there. Click that icon to open your account menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This will open a panel where you can adjust how ChatGPT behaves and personalize your experience. Inside Settings, select Personalization. This is the area where ChatGPT organizes features that tailor responses and behavior to you. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Memory. This section holds the snippets that ChatGPT has saved to better remember preferences or key facts you've opted to store. Click Manage. This opens a list of your saved memories, each appearing as an item you can inspect. You'll likely see a brief summary of what was saved, which helps you identify the memory you're looking for. To access the original conversation for any one of these, move your mouse pointer over that memory item. When you hover over it, a three-dot icon will appear. This is the More Options menu for that memory. Click the three-dot icon. You'll see details that include the date the memory was saved and a note indicating it came from a specific chat. This is your shortcut back to the source. Click the chat reference shown there, and ChatGPT will take you straight to the original conversation where that memory was created. That's the entire process. Simple, direct, and reliable. A few quick tips as you do this. The layout may vary slightly depending on your device or updates to the interface, but the path remains the same. Profile icon, Settings, Personalization, Memory, and then Manage. If you hover and don't immediately see the three dots, make sure your pointer is directly over the memory item itself. On some screens, the option appears only when you're precisely on that entry. Also, remember you're only viewing and navigating here. You don't need to change any settings to find the original chat. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly locate the conversation behind any saved memory and pick up right where you left off.